Hi guys, for today's video, I will teach you how to set custom contact ringtones on your iPhone. First, open your Contacts app. Select the contact that you want to set a custom ringtone. Tap on Edit at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll down to the ringtone section and tap on it. Choose the ringtone that you want to assign to this contact from the list of pre-installed ringtones on your iPhone. If you want to use a custom ringtone, select Tones at the top of the screen and choose the custom ringtone you want to use from the list. Tap Done at the top right corner of the screen to save the changes. Then that's it. That's how you set custom contact ringtones on your iPhone. Thank you guys for watching this video and see you on my next tutorials.